So, yun siya no, na-twist na yung ibawaan. Pero mag-try siya. And then yun siya, ayaw ko mag-collaborate. Yung ko think of a good title. Pero at that point, ako na reveal ang idea. And then I said, yung ko, actually katong di tao yan, pero nagselos pa yung pag pwede kayo. And I thought of adding Hasula in the end of the chorus. The form of the song was already there. And siya, nice, na, yung ko, let me know. So, the very next day, I think he was challenged by it because it's the first time someone was patient enough to message him and ask to write a song again. So, he's right away gave me pieces of lyrics. So, muna ni, yun siya, may pa sa akong damgo, naay, ikaw o ako. Di pa rin siya exact, no, of course, because, you know, in songwriting, you change little things here and there. Yun siya, matog na lang po balik, pukawala po, nagbuwag na mo. And then, yun siya, selos na lisod. So, nagsunod pa na siya sa form, no, he was the one who shifted things around. Selos na lisod po nga, nabaw nagmakita na siya ng kauban. This one is I deleted this part. Gusto ko ako ra, pero di man ka ako ay. I rewrote it to something else. And then his chorus was this. Katawa, sumug-sumug pa. Sige raga, pero nagselos na HAHAHAHasula. You know what happened to the song, right? Of course, this became the bridge. Wala na akong ibutang sa chorus. I'll give you the reason why later on. Immediately when I read this sumug pa, ang tinay ko, kuyog-kuyog. Ang rhyme akong yun nag-think, kuyog-kuyog pa, sumug-sumugon pa, etc. So, and then he went to another verse, mahadlok mo, wala ka, problema, di mali ka, I thought to myself, repetitive na ni siya because the same with the previous verse of incapabilities. Pero this one, it's okay, sorry ha, na-focus mo, promise, di na mautro. And then again, kakatawa, sumug pa. Na, gisuon na niya diri ang di tao yan, pero nagaselos ko, ayaw pag-HAHAHAHasula. Okay. And then the bridge, akong love life, rog ikaw na like ko, I deleted that part. Na yun siya, di man kita karon, kita man magkadayon pohon. Ayaw pag-quote kaya, ang claim sa ninyo, oh, that's a keeper right there. We should keep that line. And then the chorus. So, first instinct ako was, I want a chorus that's really strong. That really grabs you by the throat when you hear the chorus. So, I went with my gut. I stuck to, di tao yan. That's the strongest line right there. So that's what I did with the chorus in my draft. Di tao yan, walay ikaw ako. Pan kung magselos ko, ayaw ko. Then the hook, sige na lang ka, ni HAHAHAHasula. And then, of course, same form. Isa kong taman, wala ko may mo. Pero may pahiskot na lang ba ko, ani kuto. Sige na lang ka, etc. So then, that's how the song was written. Okay, what happened there was, I connected two things, right? You saw that happening?